In this video, you can know about how to reduce acidity in stomach. To reduce acidity in stomach, here are some categories that can be helpful. Avoid trigger foods and beverages. Certain foods and drinks can trigger or worsen stomach acidity. Common triggers include spicy and fatty foods, citrus fruits, tomatoes, coffee, carbonated beverages, and alcohol. Identify your personal triggers and try to limit or avoid them. Second, eat smaller, more frequent meals. Instead of large meals, opt for smaller, well balanced meals throughout the day. This can help prevent excessive stomach acid production and reduce the burden on your digestive system. Number 3. Limit caffeine intake. Caffeine can stimulate stomach acid productions. Consider reducing and avoiding